देखिए, ये बहुत ही लंबा सफ़र रहा है, लेकिन इस सफ़र में हमको बहुत खुशी मिली है, सशक्तिकरण मिला है लड़कियों को, बहुत खुशी की बात है। ऐसा लगता है बस कल ही हमने हाथ जोड़ा था मनीष मल्होत्रा के साथ और चुटकी में 9 साल निकल गए।
क्या आपने बोला, मैंने सुनाई नहीं दिया। हाँ, वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट सुनाई दिया, क्वेश्चन सुनाई नहीं दिया। आई थिंक सबसे बड़ी बात है कि we've come together to walk for Mijwa Welfare Society, and I think that's the bigger picture here. So it's always wonderful, to walk for Manish, to walk with Deepika, for Shabana auntie and Amrita, and everybody concerned with the Mijwa Welfare Society.
I think very, very exciting, to be honest. I think, like he said, this is my first time. I know he's done it before, but this is my first time. And I started my career off as a model. I've walked the ramp many, many times, but this was special. It felt genuine, it felt real, and it felt connected. I felt like everyone behind the scenes has worked really, really hard in doing what they do, not just in putting the show together, but in the fact that you can see the work, the effort, the craftsmanship, and I think most importantly the fact that they've empowered so many women and children. It gives me so much joy, and it's so inspiring to see the work they do. Like I said, I think the fact that we've empowered women is one thing, but to see the quality of work that's coming out of Mijwa year on year, and to see that today they can compete or provide for top designers, not of the country but of the world. I think it really says a lot about the talent that we have in the country, and the fact that if we empower them, if we enable them, there's so much that we can do. I think we'd be so much, I think, richer as a nation. And this is just the beginning. We have a long way to go.
Thank you. Masculinity के बारे में बोलो।
Well, I think firstly we have to change the notion of masculinity. I think masculinity का जो एक idea है हमारे दिमाग में, I think we change the feelings of entitlement. I think that's a beginning. Once we do that, and the kind of platform that we can provide to, and especially us who are entitled, that we can provide to the people of our country, especially to the girls, to the women. I think that's a great start, and I think Mijwa Welfare Society is about that. Coming together to do just that.